Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix the Lasso tool not working correctly in Goodnotes in 2026. The Lasso tool not selecting properly in your Goodnotes, that can slow down your editing, and here's exactly how to fix it. But before we start and get into these steps, the first thing I'm going to show you is a quick guide on how to download the Goodnotes application. You're gonna make sure to head into the Play Store or App Store depending on which device you're using and download the Goodnotes application from there. You're gonna type in Goodnotes in the search bar, and once you find it, you're gonna make sure to click on the install button. Once the app is installed, you're gonna launch the app and make sure you log in with your Google account. After that, you're gonna start editing by creating a new notebook, and you can work with the Apple Pen, the S Pen, depending on your device. And now let's go back to our topic, which is to fix the lasso tool. Now, to fix the lasso tool, we're gonna make sure you're using the correct tool mode. Now, as you can see, I'm gonna show you the lasso tool. It's this icon right here. As you can see, you can hold it, so it can display this also. This is the drop down menu for the lasso selection. You're gonna see a lot of options like handwriting, images, shapes, arrows, text boxes, tape, sticky notes. Make sure to toggle all these options on, and you can select whether you want the lasso to be freehand or rectangular. For example, freehand is like this. You're gonna circle the object you want to copy, and this will copy the object to your clipboard, as you can see here. You can alternatively use the rectangle by drawing a rectangle around your objects. Now, after that, you're gonna draw a clean closed shape around your selection. Then you're gonna zoom in for more accuracy. Zoom in like this. Then restart Goodnotes if needed. And also, you can update the app from the Play Store. Now, the lasso issues are often caused by selection techniques. Adjust your method and fix it. And if you like this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.